Now we're looking at implicit differentiation. Looking at implicit differentiation. Now we have x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. And we have to find the y dx and the square y dx squared at x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. All right. Now, so we are given the function that x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, I want to find the y dx. So what do we do? Now, we differentiate x squared, we're going to have 2x. We differentiate y squared, we're going to have 2y. But don't forget, when we differentiate a function of y, we must add the y dx beneath it, all right? Then differentiate minus 2x, you're going to have what? Minus 2. Differentiate minus 6y, you're going to have minus 6, but you must add the y dx behind it. Differentiate 5, 0, gone, all right? When you differentiate 5, a constant, an ordinary number, you get 0 is equal to, of course, if you differentiate 0, you still have 0, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to leave everything that has the y dx on the left hand side and take everything that does not have the y dx to the right hand side. So it becomes that we're still going to be left here with 2 dy dx minus 6 dy dx, because they both have dy dx is equal to, take 2x this side becomes minus 2x, take minus 2 this side becomes what? Plus 2. All right. So now, if you check both sides here, the y dx is common. So the y dx is going to be into bracket what? 2y minus 6 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. All right. So now we're going to divide both sides by what? 2y minus 6. All right. 2y minus 6. Now, if you notice, this eliminates this from here. So we now have that what? The y dx is equal to what? Minus 2x plus 2 over 2y minus 6. Now, if you notice, 2 is common up and down. So the y dx is going to be equal to what? Common 2 is common here, so it becomes 2 into bracket minus x plus 1 over 2 is also common here, it becomes 2 into bracket y minus 3. Now, these 2 eliminate these 2. All right. Now, we're going to continue, right? We're going to continue from here. So it becomes that the y dx is going to be equal to minus x plus 1 over y minus 3. All right, over y minus 3. Now, don't forget they said at x is equal to what? 3 and y is equal to 2. So our dy dx here is going to be equal to what? Minus 3. That means anywhere I see x, I'm putting 3, I'll substitute 3. And anywhere I see y, I'll substitute 2. So it becomes minus 3 plus 1 over 1 minus 3. That is what? 2 minus 3. So the y dx is going to be equal to what? Minus 3 plus 1 gives us what? Minus 2. Over 2 minus 3 gives us what? Minus 1. Of course, minus eliminates minus. 2 divided by 1 gives us 2. So our dy dx is equal to what? 2. All right. Now, don't forget that they asked us to also find what? D square y over dx squared. Right? Meaning, we're going to differentiate the second time. So if our dy dx is equal to what? Minus x plus 1 over y minus 3. Now, this is going to be our u and this is going to be our v because they are a quotient. So we're going to use quotient rule. And don't forget, quotient rule says what? That v du dx minus what? U dv dx all divided by v squared. That means it's simply trying to say this is your u, this is your v. So differentiate it and then put it into this formula. So now let's do that. So our d square y over dx squared now is going to be what? Now let's come here. Our u is equal to what? Minus x plus 1. Our v is equal to what? Y minus 3. Now let's find our du dx here. Let's differentiate this and let's differentiate this. If we differentiate this, we're going to have what? If we differentiate this, let's not say du dx, let's just say u prime. U prime, we're going to have differentiate minus x, you're going to have minus 1. Differentiate 1, you're going to have 0. Now let's say v prime, that's going to be equal to differentiate y, you're going to have what? 1. But you must add the y dx behind it. So that's 1 dy dx, but the 1 is going to be visible. So we're going to have dy dx. If you differentiate minus 3, you're going to have 0. It's gone. All right. So now finally putting into this formula, all right, v du dx, that means V, what is our V? Y minus 3 multiplied by, what's our du dx? Our du dx is the same thing as u prime, which is what? Minus 1. All right, minus into bracket u. What is our u? Our u is what? Minus x plus 1 multiplied by. Now, what is our what? Dv dx, that's our v prime, that's what? Dy dx. All right, all divided by what? V squared. What's our v? Y minus 3 all squared. So now this becomes, I want you to recall that when we substituted x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 into our dy dx, we got 2. So we can replace the y dx here with 2. So recall the y dx is equal to 2. Right, the y dx is equal to 2. So if the y dx is equal to 2, so I'm going to substitute this here. So it becomes what? It becomes that what? Becomes that d square y over dx squared will be equal to. Now, also don't forget that what? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to what? 2. So let's just put everything here. So it becomes what? Into bracket what? 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus into bracket again minus x, that's minus 3 plus 1 multiplied by dy dx. What's dy dx? Dy dx is what? 2. Close the bracket over what? Y minus 3 all squared. Now that's going to be what? 2 minus 3 all squared. All right, so d square y over dx squared is equal to 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1 multiplied by this minus 1 minus into bracket minus 3 plus 1 gives us what? Minus 2 multiplied by 2. All right, all divided by what? 2 minus 3, that gives us what? Minus 1 squared. So d square y over dx squared is going to be equal to minus 1 times minus 1 gives us plus 1. All right, now minus 2 times minus 2 gives us minus 4 times this minus, that gives us plus 4. All right, over minus 1 squared gives us 1, that's minus 1 times minus 1. So d square y over dx squared is going to be equal to 1 plus 4, that gives us 5, divided by 1, of course, is going to give us what? 5. So 5 is our final answer. All right, so any part you don't understand, all right, we started from here, and then we came here, and then we got our final answer as d square y over dx squared to be 5. Now, anyone you don't understand, make sure you rewind the video and watch it again. You don't understand, and you can leave your questions in the comment section below. I'll do well to give you an answer. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video like this, you get notified.